Giant insects of the Carboniferous period.
During the Carboniferous period, roughly 359 to 299 million years ago, some insects reached astonishing sizes by today's standards. Dragonfly-like Meganeura had wingspans up to 2.5 feet, and huge millipede relatives roamed ancient forests. But what allowed these bugs to grow so large, and why aren't insects this size today? Let's explore the fascinating science behind their massive proportions.
A world rich in oxygen.
One key factor behind giant insects was the Earth's atmosphere. During the late Carboniferous, oxygen levels soared to nearly 35%, much higher than today's 21%. Insects rely on passive diffusion to breathe, so higher oxygen concentrations allowed them to take in more air. This made it possible for their bodies to grow larger and still support their basic life processes.
Fewer aerial predators.
At this time, flying vertebrates like birds and bats had not yet evolved. Without these aerial predators, insects faced less pressure to stay small and agile for protection. This allowed natural selection to favor larger sizes, especially among flying species. Once birds appeared in later periods, giant insects began to disappear from the skies.
Specialized respiratory systems.
Insects have a unique system of tiny tubes, called tracheae, that deliver oxygen directly to their tissues. This system works efficiently in small insects. However, in the Carboniferous, the abundance of oxygen allowed this system to support much larger insect bodies than would be possible today, pushing the boundaries of their physical limits.
Why did giant insects disappear?
As oxygen levels dropped toward the end of the Carboniferous and competition from birds increased, large insects faced new challenges. Lower oxygen made it difficult for their bodies to function, and new predators pushed smaller, faster forms to dominate. Over millions of years, this led to the insects we see today, far smaller, but still incredibly diverse.
The legacy of giant bugs.
Today's insects may seem tiny compared to their prehistoric ancestors, but the story of giant bugs from the Carboniferous reminds us how changing environments can dramatically shape life on Earth. These ancient giants provide a fascinating glimpse into a time when nature's rules, and even the air itself, were very different from today.